Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting repairs now. First, back up important files to an external drive and confirm the copy works. Make sure you have the original Windows XP CD and product key, plus network and chipset drivers on a separate media. Disconnect the machine from the internet to avoid updates or malware during repair. Boot from the XP CD and choose the repair console or recovery options. This begins replacing corrupt system files without erasing personal data. Once done, you'll be ready for the deeper fixes. Once the recovery console is running, run chkdsk/r to repair disk errors and recover readable information, then use fixboot and fixmber to correct boot record corruption. Next, run System File Checker with sfc/scanno to restore protected system files. If SFC fails, consider an in-place reinstall which preserves user data. After system files are healthy, remove any recently added drivers causing instability, and then install verified chipset, video, and network drivers from manufacturer media to restore. Finish by installing critical Windows updates that are compatible with XP, plus a lightweight antivirus and firewall. Reconnect the internet only after security is in place. Restore your backed up files and reapply network settings, then check Device Manager for any flagged devices and install missing drivers. If the system won't boot, try last known good configuration from the boot menu. If that fails, return to the recovery console to rerun fixmber, fixboot, and chkdsk. Key tip: if updates or drivers break the system, roll back the change first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.